Welcome to this video that will show you how to accurately correct or delete your third-party data file on your submission. This video is aimed to support the third-party data submitters, such as IT3B, C, E, and S, medical and insurance, if you are using the secure web, HTTPS, or Connect Direct. If you want to make changes or corrections on your submitted file, first obtain the original file you have submitted. Make required changes to relevant fields. Example, change the unique file ID on the header record and on the file name. All record statuses must be changed from N for new to C for correction as shown. Then, update your financial data. Remember to keep the unique number values the same as the one previously submitted. You can then submit the file to SARS. To delete the data, all record statuses must be changed to D for deletion. Make sure you also change the file name and the unique file ID. Please make sure you keep the unique number values the same as the one previously submitted. You can then submit the file to SARS. When you're done with your correction or deletion, review your response file to confirm that the records were successfully uploaded, and refresh the declaration on e-filing by clicking on the Refresh Historic Data button to view the latest pre-populated totals. Taxpayers are encouraged to submit accurate and complete third-party data timelessly. This information assists SARS to assess a large portion of taxpayers with effortless auto-assessment process. The late submission of third-party data will delay income tax assessments, impact the calculation of taxpayers' tax liability, increase the potential for late submission penalties and the risk of audits, and overall impact the taxpayer's compliance status negatively. For more information on the submission process, please visit the SARS website at the third-party data submission platform. Go ahead, submit. Be part of an effortless filing season. SARS at your service.